Morning, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm getting ready to have a Gasser 2014 Thor Hurricane. I was getting ready to rent it out this morning, just going over it, cleaning her up and doing some preventive maintenance inspection. And I'm going to show you what I found. All right, I was squeegeeing the front windshield to make it look nice. All right, you can use steel wool, triple four, or 4 zeros, or you can use the blue one of these, and I don't let my wife throw them away. We use them in the kitchen, and then I bring them out here to use them. So they're pretty much wore out, but they do the job. All right, here we go. I'm gonna flip the camera around. All right, so I was doing that with the squeegee, just hot water. I don't use no chemicals. And I was pulling the wiper blades out, looking at them. Now look at this one. You see it? The darn nut made its way off. Look at that. Just by doing some basic walk-through inspection, I just probably saved myself a bundle of money and a perturbed customer. All right, they're not a member, so my members are members of Facebook page RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. My customers are the one that rents out this RV, and I pretty much keep it going all summer, but this summer is going to be a little different. I have it up for sale, just to let you know. I'm getting older. I'm going from my back operation June the 16th now, 2021. So I might be getting out of the rental business. It's been fun. I let my grandkids use this one. We both go out at the same time, and that way I keep them out of my beaver. They come over, they sleep, but they pretty much stay out of this one to eat and all. Depends what the weather's like. If the weather's nice outside, we all eat outside on the picnic table. But then, you know how the camping goes. Sometimes it's not nice, but we still have fun. All right, so that was just a little preview of what I showed you. Preventive maintenance walk-arounds. Okay, one more time, this angle. See it, that nut, right? See the nut turning? Now I gotta tighten it up, and then I'm gonna Loctite it with blue. Okay, blue Loctite. All right, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I got to get back to being busy. Remember, a couple different ways to get a hold of me. One is the famous, ever-growing, almost 18,000 members in a little bit over 3 years, like 3 years and 20 days or something like that. 18,000 members. That's RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting Facebook page. 2 is the YouTube channel that hopefully you're looking at right now. Please subscribe and hit the likes up and put comments in there. I will get back with you. I got all kind of notifications on my phone. Ding, ding, ding. Sounds like, I don't know what it sounds like. The old cash register day, right? Ding, ding, ding. The bell. So, and the third one is the one-on-one, you and I, troubleshooting your RV through video link. All right, it's like telelink. All right, telediagnostics for RVs. That's me. So that's www.rvdiagnostics.com, plural diagnostics. Also, there's my email, jeff@rvdiagnostics.com, and then there's this garage, 22480 Bloxham School Road, Bloxom School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. So if you're coming through this way, we have hundreds and hundreds of campgrounds, a couple of beautiful state parks. We got some with a water park in them, and zip lines, and man, I miss that stuff. I used to like doing that, but my body don't no more. So once again, thank you very much for all the patronage out there. Everybody's joining. Don't forget, this is April, I don't know, 23rd, something like that, 2021. At the end of this month, my fees for the website is going to go up. It's still like $9.30 a month, folks. Come on. Because I got to put other stuff in, amplifier for my cell phone, and I'm going to get a Wii boost to put in the RV so when I'm rolling down the road or whatever my wife's driving, I can answer my calls, and all this stuff costs money. So that's why I keep it down at a lower cost. Because if you go do Just Ask Me or the other guy over in Washington, he charges you a bundle. But it's okay. Everybody's allowed to make money. This is capitalism. All right. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.